Hey guys, welcome to Lip, Shoes, and Issues. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome and welcome back. So I'm on the hunt for a good fragrance. I was watching some of the YouTubers with the Sephora haul, and they, some of them really bought some of these fragrances, and I understand why, because they're expensive and you're getting a discount, so that's the time to do it. But I'm not really big on fragrance. It's like I find something and if I like it, I keep it and it's what I wear. But I have the Bobbi Brown Beach, which I love. It's the perfect fragrance for summertime. But that's not the only one I want to wear. I like, a variety or an assortment or something, But I don't, I don't know about you, but a big bottle of perfume will last me 10 years, if that. And by the time it's 10 years old, it's rancid. It doesn't smell good. So, but the big bottles of perfume, there was only one perfume that I wore to the end. And that was a Victoria's Secret Beach. And they stopped making it. I don't know why, but I loved that fragrance. I loved it so much that I went on eBay to buy it because they discontinued it. And I did buy, somebody of course was selling it on eBay. I bought it and it just didn't smell the same because it was old. So that is the only one that I, went to the bottom of the bottle with. So I was at my daughter-in-law's house, and she showed me a bottle of Riddle that she had, and she just said, "Here, smell this." And I smelled it. She says it smells different on everybody. I'm like, what do you mean? She goes, well, it works with your pH balance. Well, it works with your pH and your pheromones. So it's pheromones when you're I don't know if pheromones are in you or if pheromones are in the fragrance that makes you more attractive to people. I don't know. I never really did understand that, but I was intrigued. So I came home and I went on the website, and I saw that they have all different fragrances in like an oil, and they look like roll-ons, not sprays. They may have sprays now. I think they introduced sprays and lotions, but when I was on there, it was just like a roll-on with a maybe water-based oil. I don't know. But I was very intrigued. And what was nice about this is they had sample pack that they sold. And I think they have one for $49, and then they have another one for $29. I don't know. But I ordered the sample pack, and I'm very excited. So, and apparently this works with your pheromones to make you more attractive. But this is it. So it comes in it's called Riddle. Comes in a case like this. And you also get a gift certificate if there's one fragrance that you like. They give you a gift certificate with this order. But this is perfect for me, honestly, these little samples, because I don't use that much. And I get to choose what I want. I also mix and match. I blend 2 in 1. I love it. So I wanted to go over these fragrances with you and tell you what the names are for each scent and give you an idea of what it smells like. So starting with the original, this one, and I popped it out, just a little cute little thing. It's a little roller. And this one, I think this one is my favorite. It smells divine. Now all of these are very, they have a faint smell. It's not strong. It's not overpowering. It's not strong. It's not overpowering. Powering. How come I can't talk? Powering. It's not overpowering. It's not overpowering when you walk into a room. You know when somebody walks into the room and you know that, oof, a lot of perfume. This is not. It's very faint, very sexy, it's attractive. It's an attractive smell. That's original. Now, it's going to smell different on you because it's going to work with your pheromones and your pH. But on me, yes, original. Now, I mean, I could tell you what I think the notes are because I don't have an explanation for that, but it's more of a, I'd say there's musk in it. I wouldn't say rose. There's musk and maybe amber. That's all I can smell. So the next one is Santol. Santol. Pop that out. Oh, okay. Oh gosh, this one smells like fresh fruit. Yeah. It reminds me of fresh cucumbers and fresh fruit. Like it's not sweet. It's not a sweet smell because that's why I'm throwing in the cucumber. But you just like, you're walking through, you're walking into your kitchen and you smell all the fruits that are, you know, sitting on the counter, and then you, with a fresh cut up cucumber and some watermelon, and it has a fresh fruit smell, but I'm not gonna say fresh fruity smell, but a fresh fruit smell. Really, really nice. So this one I just popped out. It's called Muse. Muse. Okay, that's okay. This has a rosy smell, but it's more of a dark rosy smell, like a mysterious rosy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like a mysterious rose, like the black rose. It's more of a black rose smell. I mean, if they were going for sexy, they nailed it. Delicious. Just delicious. Next one is Puppy. Now again, it's going to smell different on you. I'm just telling you how it smells on me, but it's probably similar. Is that a question mark? I don't know what that is. I don't know. Okay, Poppy. Now I'm going to go over here with this one. Now this is fresh, clean. I smell some lavender, maybe some poppy. So this is fresh, clean, lavender, faint smell, like a sexy clean. All right. Next one is X. I don't know what the meaning is behind that. Okay. Okay. This one is very strong. It almost smells like a men's cologne, actually. This one does. This smells masculine. I don't even know if I want to rub it on until I try these other two because it's that strong and I don't want it to mix in with the other smells. This is strong. Not strong like overpowering, you know, like, oh my gosh, you're going to, you know, that person's going to stink up the room, but I just mean it's stronger than the ones I've tried so far. And it almost has like a revenge scent to it. That's what I'm getting. It's a bit masculine. Maybe that's why it's called X, because I smell some revenge there. It's woodsy. I smell no floral, no sweetness, no fruitiness. I'll put this on last. Just let it mix with my pH. This one is Sphinx. Okay, this one's very faint. Very faint, actually. Okay, this is very faint, Sphinx. Like, you'll probably have to use quite a bit to get the scent. Like, somebody would have to get really close to you to smell this, and maybe that's what it's about. Somebody just getting really close to your neck or your ears or whatever. Smells a little similar to Original, actually. Maybe a mix between Original and Santol. But much less of a scent. Definitely smelling musk and amber again. Maybe that's my natural smell, I don't know. Next one is Voyeur. Actually, it's the last one, Voyeur. Okay. Oh, okay. This smells like candy. Candy. Fresh lollipops, cotton candy. Yeah, that's what that smells like. Candy. Just has that, like, very faint though. Very, like, I don't know. Have you seen 9.5 Weeks when they're feeding each other? You know, fruits and honey and bananas and stuff like that, or I don't know. It reminds me of that, actually. It smells like candy, but like oh my gosh, that smells so good. I don't know what my favorite is at this point, but I tell you what, I love all of these except for X. I'm not too sure about that. I'm rubbing all these in together. I wanted to do that because you can mix it up too if you want. Oh God, it all smells good together too. Oh, yummy. Okay, so let me do the X. Not do the X, but you know. Okay, so the scent went down, not overpowering. A little overpowering on this little bottle, but okay, wait. Okay, it no longer smells like a men's cologne. Although it could. It's still woodsy with some amber. Kind of a sophisticated feel to it. Like very sophisticated. Like, I'm here and I'm rich and I have money. That's what it smells like. It's starting to smell even better the longer you wear it. It's still very sexy. It's a Chanel kind of sexy, you know, like. But anyway, I wanted to do a quick video about the Riddle because I am really enjoying them. I'm just enjoying them. I'm enjoying getting up in the morning, and before I leave, I usually spray something on. I'm picking one of these out or two, and I'm just putting it here, putting it here, putting it here, you know, just like the good old days, what we used to do. I'm really enjoying that. Now, am I attracting more people? I don't know. I'm attracting myself. But there is another fragrance that I absolutely love, but I just cannot see spending a couple $100s on it. It's from House of Silage. It's House of Silage because I ordered a lipstick from them, and they sent me samples. And one of the samples that they sent me was their little Disney fragrance in a spray bottle. And I like to kind of just spray them once and smell it and go, oh, I just want to know, you know, I just want to know how it smelled. But that was like, oh, yummy. Oh my gosh. Like, that fragrance is delectable. It's out of this world. And I loved it. And I went on their site to buy it, and it was like a couple $100s. And I'm like, yeah, I don't think so. I don't see it. I mean, listen, if somebody wants to buy that much for a fragrance, God bless them. It's just not me. And besides, I've got enough. I have enough right here. But I do wish they would go on sale, because if they did, I would buy it. I'm waiting. If any of you see that the Disney fragrance goes on sale from House of Silage, please comment or email me and let me know. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to go over some of this Riddle fragrance that I got, or Riddle oil, or Riddle roll-on. I don't know. Not bad. Not bad pricing to give you like their whole spiel of little roll-ons. So if you have a favorite fragrance, let me know what it is. I'd like to know. And thank you for tuning in. This is a short one. I knew it'd be a short one. Well, maybe it's a normal one because I'm normally long. I don't know. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Love you. And I will talk to you soon. We done watching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. You're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done.
5, 4, 3, 2...
Bye.